If your fireplace blower is not working, it can totally mess up the cozy vibe you're aiming for when you just want to chill and stay warm. So, first off, make sure the blower is actually plugged in and getting power. Sometimes the simplest stuff trips us up, you know? Next, check if the circuit breaker hasn't flipped. That's an easy fix if it has. If power is good, give the blower vents a solid clean because dust and debris can seriously block airflow and stop it from spinning right. You can use a vacuum or a soft brush to clear out all that gunk without hurting any parts. After cleaning, test it out again to see if it's running smoother. Also, check the blower's switch or thermostat settings. Sometimes they get bumped or set weird without you noticing. If it's still not working, the motor might be overheated or stuck, so let it cool down and try manually spinning the fan blades gently to loosen them up. Finally, if all else fails, it might be time to call in a pro to avoid making things worse or voiding your warranty. One of the most common mistakes with fireplace blowers not working is ignoring the power source. It happens way too often that folks skip checking if the unit is plugged in or if the breaker is tripped, so always start there. Another issue is dirty blower vents. Clogged vents block airflow and cause the blower to fail or overheat, so regular cleaning prevents this hassle. A third problem is running the blower without proper maintenance, which can lead to motor failure. To fix this, do routine checks and keep the blower free from dust buildup to keep everything running smooth and quiet. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can fix issues like a busted fireplace blower fast. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects.